How to hide followers and following on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide your followers and following list on Instagram. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram with your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. From settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and tap on account privacy. From account privacy section, tap and turn on the option private account. Or tap on switch to private at the bottom. And from here, when your account is on private, only your approved followers can see your followers and following list. If you want more privacy, you can remove the unwanted followers. Go to your followers list and tap and remove them. Also, no one even followers can see your following countdown order. Instagram now show it on random order for private accounts. And that's it. You can't fully hide your following and followers list, but this is the most effective method using built-in privacy. If this helped, follow for more Instagram privacy tips and iPhone tricks. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.